In my video, I'll show you a working Pokemon Go hack for all the iOS devices, and you want to watch this video because this spoofer has joystick, it has map, it has teleportation, it has so many features, and I'll show you how to get this Pokemon Go with all the spoofing features on your iOS device. So that means iPhone or iPad. No jailbreak needed, no computer needed. So this is the video that you definitely want to watch, and let's get into it. Now, I have my iPhone here, but again, if you have an iPad, it'll work as well. No computer needed. This is just for my background. But now, let me show you quickly how to get the hack for Pokemon Go. And this is how we do it. The first step is for iPhone users only. So if you have an iPhone, open your settings app, scroll down and find this home screen, click on it, and make sure that show an app library is enabled. This right here, enable it, show an app library, and you'll be good to go. So now to get the spoofer, this is how we download it on your iPad or iPhone or whatever. Open your browser. And guys, after I show you the website, make sure you keep watching the video because it's really important that you know how to download it and how it works, how to enable certain features. And this is the website. Go to app library like this. And when the website loads up, in the search bar, just search for spoofer. There it is. Pokemon Go Hack, click the download Pokemon Go Spoofer with joystick, teleport, and other features. Now, this is what we will be getting today. So just click on the app icon and click download once again. Now, give it a moment. It will check if your Apple device is compatible with this version of the spoofer, and it should be. No requirements, maybe just some storage space, but that's about it. And this right here doesn't get revoked, so it's really good. And we're almost finished. Now the final step will be a simple device verification, which of course I'll show you how to pass, and it's really easy. Trust me, it will take like 2 to 3 minutes and I'll do it with you. Now what we have to do is we have to complete the device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, a Pokemon Go Spoofer will start downloading automatically. And now it's really simple. All I have to do is just complete 3 apps from this list. And I'll just start with this one. PDF converter says that I have to follow the instructions on the next page. And this is the final step, guys. Don't skip it. It will take you a couple of minutes. So I'll just go with this one. And let's see what the instructions tell me. So I have to search the App Store. I have to search the App Store for PDF scanner, and then I have to install it and open it. So this is the app right here. Very simple. I think I can complete this one in like 20 seconds. So let's see. PDF scanner, red app. There it is. Now I'll get it. And again, it's very simple. As long as you read the offer instructions, and you might have different apps, you'll have no problem getting the spoofer because as long as you read the offer instructions, you'll be able to verify your device. And as you can see, this offer is almost finished downloading. All I have to do is open it, and that is one offer completed. Now what I'll do is, of course, I have still to complete my second and third app. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds because I'll fast forward this part, but don't worry, I will not cut anything out. Okay guys, so I just finished my device verification. Few more minutes and I got it done. Now it's really important that you go back to the browser because that will start the download process for the hack. And make sure you get to the correct tab. There it is. Now it will start downloading automatically, but if it doesn't, don't worry, just click the refresh and that will say fix that 100%. So now if I go to my home screen, you can see I have the Pokemon Go game on my home screen, which I didn't have before, and it looks like a normal Pokemon Go. but it comes with the spoofing features that I will show you in just a second as soon as the game loads up. I'll enable the incognito mode first, and if you want to know what incognito mode does, is it hides my username. So it hides my username in the game so I can take screenshots, record videos. But now let me sign in real quick. Returning player, let's see. I'll probably have to hide my username. Go down the video. So oops. Give me some guys. There we go. And now after I get in the game, what I'll do is I'll show you the most important features that you have to know, and that is of course the joystick, teleportation, but this will work on all the iOS devices. It's a really great spoofer, full of features, very easy to install, also is free, and you can update it pretty easily as well. You'll always stay up to date. And now let's see, I'm in the game, and the first thing I'll show you how to do is let the game load up. First thing I'll show you how to do is get the joystick, and as you can see my username is hidden. First thing I'll do is show you how to get the joystick, and that is by going into the spoofing settings. Did I misclick it? And at the bottom you'll find joystick feature, enable it. Now you have the joystick from the spoofer, and if I zoom in you can see that it moves the GPS location, although at a very slow speed, but don't worry, just go into speed, enter something higher, and now poof, now it walks way quicker on the map. Of course you have, god damn it, no. Let me escape this one. Let me show you. You have the map. You can use it to teleport. You can auto walk there. If you click auto walk, it will start walking there with the speed that you set for the joystick. And you also have random route, sniping, lots of features in this hack for Pokemon Go. So guys, if I helped you download it, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.